Torchbeam T2 H11H8H9 9005/HB3 LED bulbs. The Torchbeam T2 H11H8H9 9005/HB3 LED bulbs offer a high-quality lighting solution for automotive enthusiasts. As an expert in product marketing with over 10 years of experience, I can confidently say that this product delivers on its promises. Brand: Torchbeam. The Torchbeam brand has gained a reputation for producing reliable and innovative automotive lighting products. With these LED bulbs, they continue to uphold their commitment to quality and performance. Brightness: 16000 lumen with an impressive brightness level of 16000 lumens. These LED bulbs provide excellent visibility on the road. Whether you're driving at night or in harsh weather conditions, the Torchbeam T2 bulbs ensure that you can see clearly, enhancing safety and confidence behind the wheel. The red color option adds a touch of style and uniqueness to your vehicle's lighting system. Whether you're looking to match